Guys, we're doing the poor man's brisket on my Royal Gourmet offset coming up. This is Cooking with CJ, the show about cooking, drinking, barbecue, and all the other stuff that goes along with it. I am not a chef, I am not a bartender, I am not a pit master, but I play all three on TV. I'm gonna show you how to make quick, easy, tasty recipes and have a little bit of fun along the way. So let's get this party started. What's up, everybody? Welcome to Cooking with CJ. I'm CJ. And if you're a returning subscriber, part of CJ's crew, you know I love you. And if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that red subscribe button down there and the bell next to it so you can get the alerts on all what we're doing here. All right, so what we're doing here today, Charlie's making noise in the background. The pool's on, so if this, if the noise in the background makes you feel certain urges, I'm very sorry. But I want to get this started. It's a little early in the morning. It's going to be hot as heck here in Southern California. So I want to get the pit going. So basically we got my Royal Gourmet offset over here. I got a nice big chuck roast, what they call the poor man's brisket. So we're gonna get that smoking on here with little pecan wood, some charcoals, and do the little offset. We're gonna have a nice water pan underneath it, just to make sure all that moisture stays in there real nice. Pulled it out of the butcher package. We used this beautiful Victory Lane beef rub seasoning and just coated it completely. It's a big piece of meat, so it can withstand a lot of seasoning. It's a big... My camera person is making innuendos to big pieces of meat. So anyway, so it's gonna be seasoned. I'm gonna let it rest in there, kind of sweat down a little bit with that rub in there for about an hour while we get this pit up to temperature. We're gonna cook it about 250, 275 till it gets to about 170 internal, 180 internal. We're gonna wrap it, then get it up to about 200 to 205, and then we'll slice and go. All right, that's it, guys. Next thing you know, we'll be on this pit. Come on back. Okay, we got the charcoal going. I'm only get the chimney about halfway filled up. I don't want a full chimney lit. I want to have some unlit coals in there so the heat starts dispersing more evenly with a longer burn. Okay, so this is about where I want it to be. Let's get it in there. Get a couple pieces of our pecan or pecan, wherever part of the country you're from. Get those going. We gotta close that firebox. Get this shut. Gonna open the vents full blaze to get rid of that white smoke. All right, so we got the white smoke coming out. Once that disperses, turns into a thin blue smoke, we'll add the chuck roast on there. Got the smoke just where we want it. We're gonna put this poor man's brisket on. Just gonna put it on there. Putting it right over the water pan. Let's get this bad boy going. All right, guys, we were down a little bit in temperature, so we added a couple more chunks of pecan in there. Threw a couple pieces of charcoal up on the fire brick here. Gonna mix it around a little bit. Get that heat going again. Doing good. It's doing good. It's looking pretty good. We're only about an hour in or so. Not bad. About an hour and a half, hour 45 in. It's looking pretty juicy. Looking pretty good. I'm still gonna give it a little spritz on the top. Just got a little, actually got a little peach juice in here. I don't know why, it just sounded good. Got a little peach juice, a little water. Just gotta get it nice, and we're gonna keep this juicy. Gonna keep it nice and juicy. All right, looking good. We're keeping it about 275. It's not bad. Let's see how we're temping out. Got my beautiful thermopro, put in a nice part of that meat right there. 160. I'm gonna take this to about 180. We're gonna wrap this bad boy. So we may have another half hour or so. It's about 2 hours in. Looking pretty dang good to me. All right, guys, we've hit the dreaded stall. We're temping out about 160, 165 in there. So we're gonna take this thing off, get it wrapped, so we can get it nice and tender. So let's get this over to my table over there and get it wrapped. We got our brisket, our poor man's brisket. The bark's nice and set. We hit the stall. It's been stalled at 160 for the last half hour or so. Guys, I got this stuff on sale here, the Chak's sauce. Just the name of it, I just had to use it. All right, so we're gonna, sorry you hear Charlie breathing in the background. So we're just gonna use this as our jus for this. Nice peppery, kind of steak saucy kind of vibe going on. So we're gonna try this one. Let's wrap this bad boy up. Doesn't have to be super tight, but we do want to keep moisture in there and steam in there. So I'm gonna turn it this way. Match up the ends. Alright. That turned up. That turned up. Nice package. Again, get your mind out of the gutter. Stop thinking about your nice package. Alright, we're gonna get the probe in this so we know where it's temping out at. And I think we got another hour and a half. Here we go. We got the temp probe in. It's temping at like 200. I just want to check it out. Yep, 208. All right, we got a little bit of heat in there, guys. Oh yeah. All right, we're gonna pull this off and let it rest. Probably about an hour or so in a towel, and then we'll be ready to eat this bad boy.
Not even one now. Multiple cactus have died in my hand.
Multiple cactus have died. All right, guys. As you can clearly hear, we have company. We have Alicia from Best Bites Forever.
I didn't know you were filming.
I said shut up.
I'm sorry.
Hello. All right.
Are you just in tight on that beef? Can I take a bite?
Knock yourself out. Jump in there. I don't know if it's good, so
It
lie.
smells good.
Lie if it's bad. We're on camera.
Nobody follow this. No, I'm not kidding. I'm dipping in the sauce here in the background. Look,
Live your best life.
sauce.
Live your best life. This thing's kind of falling apart here. Yeah, we're definitely putting this back in the jus. All right, guys.
You remember to dog it?
Charlie, let's try that one more again. All right, looking good. Nice smoke ring. Almost like I know what I'm doing. All right, come on back for the taste. All right, guys, we are back. We are done. We sliced up the brisket. Everybody in the house has a case of the giggles. For some strange reason, it could be the booze.
Could be.
Or that other stuff you get in California that's illegal now. Who knows? Guys, obviously, I'm joined here by special guests. Got Alicia from Best Bites Forever, so welcome. We're going to be doing a lot of filming today, a couple lives, and just have a good time. But I wanted to present them with a fine meal when they got here. So we did this poor man's brisket because, I don't know, times are tough out there. You can't afford a whole brisket, so you get a chuck roast and you do the dang thing, all right? So I'm ready to try this. I don't know about you. We're going to get this in there. We've done the thumbnail. Obviously,
I love your plate up, CJ.
You did great. Obviously, I've been doing my thumbnails wrong the whole time, and I've just been told that. So the thumbnail that you clicked on right now, it's all her, all right?
Are you going to use mine?
I'm going to use yours. It's perfect.
Good.
All right, guys, let's try it. Oh, man. Dude, the smoke is on point. The smoke ring.
The smoke is perfect.
I've showed you the smoke ring. The smoke is perfect. I didn't show it on the video, but I added a little hickory wood too.
Finger looking good.
Finger looking good.
Literally,
with that sauce. You like that? It says sauce. If I could find a link to Amazon, I will put it down below.
You know it's good because it's called
Here, Maddie, give me some.
Shakas.
It says sauce.
Seriously.
A little Shaka's sauce. You know it's good because it was 50% off.
Finger track. I think that's because of dent, not because of flavor.
Yeah.
The taste is yummy. Yeah, totally. This is super tender.
No, it's really good. Thanks.
CJ did excellent, except for his plate up.
Yeah, the plate up, I've been doing it wrong all along. 300 videos, completely wrong. This one's right.
300 videos up?
Damn near. Well, you know, a lot of the uploads count as the hot seat. So that counts as like 70, 80 uploads.
Okay.
All right, guys. So we're done with this one. We're gonna move on to steak frites. You know, we're gonna do some fries with that steak. I don't know if we're not gonna shoot that as a video, but we might go live with it. Okay. So if you guys aren't already subscribed to Alicia at Best Buys Forever, make sure you click this link right here, right above her head, and get there.
It will exist.
It may go across your face.
It'd be awesome if I could poof it up there. Poof it. Ready?
All right.
Make it happen, CJ.
All right, make it happen. All right, guys, that's it. All the good stuff below. Links for all the merch. Patreon. Hopefully some Shaka sauce or Shaka's sauce. If I could find a link for that, we are putting it down below. Check it out. It is actually, besides the ridiculous name, it is actually very tasty. So check it out. Thanks for stopping by. Thank you for being here.
Thank you for feeding me.
Yeah,
hey,
definitely.
his food's as good as it looks in the video, by the way, because this is my first time actually eating at your house. But I like, my mouth waters when I watch CJ's videos, and then today he had the delicious food here, and it is as good as it looks.
You know,
I'm counting on your counter because I had a drink.
Yeah, we might have a drink or two. You know, Mrs. CJ says her mouth waters when she sees me too.
Aw, that's so
I mean,
sweet.
not my food. Yeah, no.
Just you.
All right, guys. Thank you guys for stopping by. We'll see you next time. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for cooking with CJ. I know I said that twice, but whatever.